Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today I'm outside my messy garage because I'm going to start a new project. I'm going to pull the 200 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine out of the 67 Falcon and replace it with the 302 that I just rebuilt on the Budget 302 series or something like that. Before I start even to pull this out, I got to make room in my messy garage. I was just in here moving a bunch of stuff off the floor, and one of the first things I'm going to have to do is take this Budget 302 off of my stand here, put it on that dolly so I can move it around, get it out of the way. I need to make room to get that Falcon in here so I can pull the engine out of it. So I'm going to start by taking the carburetor off there, getting my tie down straps and everything off, put my engine lift plate on the intake, lift it up, and set it on that dolly. I can let the fun times begin now. I know I'm going to have to take the hood off. I'll probably get help over here to do that. I got to drain the radiator coolant and start unhooking everything. Yep. I'm going to gather a bunch of tools, some equipment, get her out of here. I'm getting things unhooked slow but sure. Got a little soaker on my arm here with the lower radiator hose. Taking that hose off and antifreeze gushed everywhere. Yeah, let's see what else. Some of the wires are already off. I got like the heater hoses off. And I'm working on the power steering next. I want to save the power steering pump for the 302 build. So I'm just going to unbolt that and kind of move that out of the way. Same thing with the air conditioning compressor. I'm going to unbolt that, move it out of the way. Now I got to get the radiator out of here. Let's see if I can reach this. See, when I put this all together, a lot of it has nuts holding things on, nuts and bolts. When the factory did it, they just had like a bolt going into a threaded insert or something. So they didn't have nuts on the other side, but a lot of this stuff was made to fit the car. So it's got nuts and bolts. Now, luckily, I'm the one that put all this together. I kind of know how it comes apart If somebody else was doing this, they'd probably be swearing, trying to figure it out, and why the heck did the guy do this and that? And, well, I did it because I had to. Yeah, I remember this one was a real bugger to get to, that bottom bolt. So, because the alternator's right there, the battery's there. You got a little tiny hole to put your hand in. Yeah, that one I might have to get from underneath. But there's a bunch of antifreeze down there right now. All right, I'm just going to keep poking along here. I'll get it out sooner or later. I'm making decent progress. I got the battery out, alternator off. I still need to get the air conditioning compressor out of there. That's not going to be any fun. But I have the throttle linkage undo, some more wiring on that side, and I get to crawl underneath there and then take off the exhaust and the transmission cooler lines, starter motor wire, cross member, dry shaft, all kinds of fun stuff. But I'm tired, and I'm going to say this is the end of day one, pulling the 200 cubic inch 6 out of a 67 Falcon. I thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Stay tuned to my channel for future videos. Bye.